Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel WM Official. I hope so you all will be fine and happy. This is my new another YouTube channel similar to WM Tech channel, and their content also will be same like cryptocurrency and other mining side related to online earning. Before start the video, I request if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting the latest and new video. Now today I am going to tell you about new mining site. Through this site you can start your earning free without an investment. If you want to investment, it is totally depend on your choice how much profit you want to gain. You can earn more profit through the referral link. Now let's start the video. The link of the website below in the description. After clicking the link you can access the website successfully. As you can see, it is a cloud mining site. Through this site you can get 50 GHz bonus free without any investment. Before open the website, just click on sign up button or registration button and fill the all requirement. After sign up, just click on login button, enter the username and password and then click on login button. After login, the dashboard will be open in front of you. You can see your transaction history on the dashboard. To start a mining, just click on a mining button. After some second your mining will be start. Please choose your currency here because you can choose only one currency at a time. You can choose only one currency according to your choice and then click on a mining button. It will not work because I have already chosen Dogecoin. If you want to investment, just click on deposit button. After some second the new page will be open in front of you. First choose your currency carefully and then click on to wallet and then again paste your address here and fill the all requirement, and through this way you can invest successfully. If you want to take withdraw, just click on withdraw button. Choose your currency here and then click minimum amount. The Litecoin minimum amount is 0.07000 Litecoin etc. And then click on wallet address here and through this way and then click on withdraw button, and through this way you can take your withdraw successfully. You can choose any currency according to your choice. If you want to exchange your currency, just click on exchange button. First choose your currency like this and then click on power gigahertz and enter your amount and then click on exchange, and through this way you can exchange your currency successfully. If you want to get more profit through the referral link, just click on promo button. Copy your referral link here and then send it to different social platform like FB, Facebook, WhatsApp etc. and get more profit through the referral link. So in this way you can start your earning free without an investment. Just choose your currency carefully because you can choose only one currency at a time. If you enjoy this video, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting the latest and a new video. Good luck. Inshallah, see you tomorrow with the new video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.